The Microsoft Windows operating systems come with advanced administrative tools to control app usage, website access, browsing rights, and more. One such admin tool is the Group Policy Editor. And through this video, we would show you how to install it. So first, install the GPMC from the settings by opening it. Go to Apps, select Optional Features, click the View Features button, search for RSAT, find the RSAT Group Policy Management Tools option, click the checkbox, select Next, and you should see a summary page showing the modules Windows 11 will install when you approve the action. Now click Install to approve the action. Then you must see that the RSAT app is being installed with a real-time progress bar. Next, use the PowerShell by opening it. Then type this code. Then wait for your Windows Terminal application to download and install the GPMC tool. And that's how you can install Group Policy Management Console in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.